there's water going this way, extra water flow this way to the river. Hello.
You said there wasn't a...
Hello. Some people even do not say back hello to you, but they are looking at your face for some weird reason. So they are all the way up here, the same cubes in there. I think the same reason I explained, the water flow go to the turbines. There's a building inside, should be there's a turbines there, and the water flow, extra water flow this way to stop their water speed. Can slow down with this one. There's more water underneath there as well. You can see up there coming from the underneath the dam. I do not understand which kind of system they have. You can see there's a look, the water going downward and go to the next one, then water go downward again, then go to the next one. So it's weird kind of system. If you go inside, you see strong undercurrent danger for drowning. So that will keep you drawn underneath. They will take you down because the water is quite strong in speed. And so I haven't counted how many cubes they are, but it's quite a lot. All up to the down there. Cross the water up underneath there, underneath the dam. As you can see, there's a water speed is very slow, hardly you can see the water flow there, but here is a little bit in speed. There's a more dogs and more people up there. There's a view up here as well we are walking to. And this one is under Scottish Hydro, so SSE, Scottish Hydroelectric Company. They provide electricity in Scotland. So there's a wee doggy here. Hello.
And then the mum, and then they just go to Norway.
So then what happens is,
So people walking with the dog. Oh, there's a stairs going there as well. There must be access for some kind of work underneath, because these cubes are quite deep. You cannot see their bottom, and the water current is quite heavy in there in high speed. And that's the office building. Inside there should be turbines in there who generate the electricity, but there's no sound in there. It's well protected, it's soundproof building. So there's a way up here this way as well, you can go there, but there's a way up here as well, you can go this way. There's two kind of stairs, but this one near the water, so the water, extra water come this way and then go to the river. We are walking to stairs to upstairs, and this is the dam area. This is the back of the dam where the water go through the turbine and extra water go to the separate area, and they control the speed with these cubes. So this one is all locked up. You cannot access this area. That's for the only the official people. But there's some walking area go around. There's people standing here. So we walk up this way and then come up to the stairs and this way. This is a walking area. Hello. So we came this way up in here. I'm sure we can walk this way and record, no problem. Inside this big window you can see the turbines in there, but in a camera you cannot see clearly because DJI Osmo Action 3 camera lens is very small, do not capture a lot of light in there. So this way they are locked up, you cannot access. Now you can hear there's a turbines inside, they are working. and I can hear their noise now. But outside with the water noise, you cannot hear them. They are quite quiet anyway. And there is a system over here. So guys, earlier on I was recording with the DJI Osmo Action 3 with the wide angle view, which a little bit a fishy kind of view like a globe. So I changed the view to the standard. So this one is gonna look more natural to you, just like a phone and other cameras. So I came up to the bridge this way, and there's a board here says behind the switch is how hydroelectric station work, across station through Pitlochry power station. So there's a system here, there's a water go this way, as I explained to you guys, the water go underneath, and then there's a propeller here, they move with the water flow, and then there's a turbine and generator up here, they generate the electricity. There's a cranes inside and inside here as well to control the water with this gate. You can flow more water or less water to put this down and up a little bit. And same in here, there's a waterway here, there's a door here to control the flow, go to the other side. This says outfall is total is 86 to 50 gallons per minute, so that's allows a gallons, be honest. And there's information crane for the maintenance sphere, control panel, control gear, router, station shaft, everything is explained here. They are controlling by Southern Electric Hydro. They provide electricity in Scotland. I'm not sure, they did not say on the board how much electricity they provided. Let's see again. So this is here, I think 7,500,000 watt here. So transmission power is 10,900 horsepower at 167 RPM. So the turbine open and close, guide winds, and they have some information about this board I haven't noticed before. For the public, opening hour is 8 to 8 every day, Monday to Friday. They close for the maintenance. So close both sides. Hello. Hi. So we're going to walk over the other side now again. So the power station is there, as I explained, under this building. Inside the building there's turbines. It's quite a big building. Over there you can see is quite deep over here. The water flow is here is very slow because there's a wee bit water coming up in here. The most water coming through the turbine to generate electricity, and then the extra water flow going to those cubes things to the other side. Walking on the bridge, there's a lot of water holding here, and there's a walking pathway for the workers to go across in there as well. And I believe there's a net over there to control all the extra rubbish in there, like tree branches and something to go through the turbines to keep the water clean, so they can stop everything behind there and they can clean there. And it's quite a good idea. So people working inside here as well. There's a worker here. People walking. Quite windy up here because it's a higher point. So the green bridge is far away. I think is nearly more than half a mile, and it's quite high in here. There's a one more restaurant up there. So I asked worker people over there, they're working inside the building, and I asked them, can I ask you a question? Can I able to fly my drone here just to make a video? And his answer was, nobody stop anybody, and shouldn't be stop you as well. And we're not going to stop you. So if somebody else will, so that's not our responsibility. And I said, that's a good answer. So I'll ask somebody else as well. So we are on the other side now, on the bridge. And the worker, I asked questions, they're still laughing. I can see them behind me, all the work up here, you know. So there's some more information about the dam, and there's a map area, the whole town area and the surrounding and visiting points. And when they build, they have some information there. So scheme was started in 1930, and 1800 square kilometer of Grampian mountains. So they're talking about these area, 1800 square meter. And the dam and power station at open in 1951, produce 15,000 homes, electric for 50,000 homes. So this says most hydro schemes in Highland were developed between 1948 and 1965. And this is man nicknamed the Hydro Boy built 54 power station and 78 dams and 32 kilometer of electric network. So you can see the worker picture here. They're having a tea and cigarette and stuff like that. Okay, there's more information here. Electricity came to the Highlands. And there's another information for working with the nature. So they have a red squirrel, otter here, and brown trout and red deer. So I haven't seen any otter in this area, but will be there. As you can see, there's a lots of rubbish collected here, tree branches, quite massive, and there's some dry leaves. And there's I can see there's a dead duck in there as well. So the area in there, they protected with the net in there, so the rubbish cannot go that way. They only can be collected here. There's a pathway. They should have some kind of cleaning process here after a while. So we can walk this way. There's lots of visitor here. Hello. I believe they are Asian, Chinese, Japanese, I do not know. And they are visiting here, I believe. There's a bench sitting there. You can go up this way. There's a wee walking pathway going there. There's more worker here doing some kind of work. There's a view from the other side of this dam. There's a wee bit going this way to the restaurant up there with a beautiful view. And there's further up there is a mountain area. You can go to the hill walking and cycling. There's one more information here. This one is the other side of the dam, Pitlochry Dam Visitor Centre. So this one is the other side of the dam. I think they are building more area over here. I believe this area, this is the one, and that would be that one. And they are designing and building new area with some digital information system. There's one more board here. We're going to explore the Pitlochry network. So these all the lines present a mountain pathway. These are with the different coloring, yellow, red, and light blue, brown, green, and they all cover with the distance. They guide you properly the route of the distance and the hour will take. You can see that. Quite massive area, just like this picture. So we are walking toward unknown area. I do not know what's up there. Quite a lot visitor in this area walking toward the dam. That should be another access from the town center, because town center is this way where we are walking. Hello.
Hello.
So quite a lot of people walking up here toward the dam area and toward this way on the mountains. I'm not sure what's in there, and there's one more pathway going this way, says visitor center. That should be the one I pointed to you. There's people sitting inside the building having some coffee and snacks, so that's some kind of restaurant and visitor center. We'll go up there as well. There's another car park up here. You can see there's one more car park here, and there's a one-way system. There's one more car park area up there, and then restaurant. And they have in this car park some electric charging point. If you're driving by electric car, you can just charge up. You can see there's a few points available here, so no worry at all. If you are driving electric car, you can charge your car in the parking area while you are visiting around the area, or you are enjoying a picnic and day out in this area. You can charge your car same time. I'm going to walk this way. There's a further up there again the water area. The water go through the dam. I'm not sure what's up there. There's more people walking that way, but I'm going to walk toward there, and then I'll maybe go around and come back. And then the light is getting a little bit lower, so it's low light condition now, and I'm not sure about the drone shot, how that gonna look like, but I'm recording in 4K. There should be enough video quality in there to enjoy. So there's a duck having fun in the water here. There's a few people up here, more people walking toward that way. So we are here the water again. There's a duck. It was very near to me, but because we are using DJI Osmo Action 3, is a wide angle camera, so it shows the picture a little bit far away. So we are here again. I'm going to take a selfie with my phone.